Alright, so in this video I'm going to cover how to do the geo tagging and all that stuff. So you're going to need one specific tool. You're going to need GeoSetter. What you can do is you can head on over to geosetter.de, this link over here, and it's a free tool. You can download and you can install it, and once you have it installed it should look like this. Next, if you have the location of a specific job, let's say that you've done a plumbing job and or a I'm going to take off my shirt real quick because it's kind of hot. Let's say you've done, you installed an AC unit or something along those lines, and you're struggling in Google, you're struggling in the maps, right? So I'm trying to rank for sewer repair for one of my clients out in Seattle, and I'm struggling, right? We're having some trouble. So what we're going to do is we're going to geotag our images. So there's two things you can do. One, you can create what we call NAP keys. Here at JC Surge, we call these NAP keys. So this is optional. You don't have to do this, but if you're in a competitive area and you're struggling, do these, and you'll do just fine. So you want to create, first of all, if you have the job site, if you have the actual location of the job, use that for your longitude and latitude. Otherwise, use your business location. And if you don't have your business location, or if you want to employ somewhat of a dirty trick, what you can do is, let's say we want to rank in different areas of Seattle. We'll just pinpoint different areas in Seattle. So let's say I wanted to rank in this area of Seattle. I'm going to right click and click on Google Maps. So you go to maps.google.com and you look up the neighborhood you want to target. You just click on what's here. Now, admittedly, longitude and latitude, they're pretty consistent. It's a very small difference in most cities, so it's not really the end of the world. This is if you don't target like on the dot where you are trying to target. It's a very, longitude and latitude is huge. So unless you're in like a different county or different town or a different city you're servicing, it's not super important. But let's say we were trying to service an area in Renton over here. I might geotag my image to be in Renton. And now this is a bit of a gray hat method because you can provide, let's say, a service in Renton, and that's who you're trying to target. But maybe you didn't do the job there, and this is these are your ethics, your morals, and how you want to do it. I'm just showing you what I'm gonna do in my case. So I'm gonna take a location that's they do work around here, and they have done work here. I'm gonna geotag an image at around in the Seattle area, and I already have my longitude and latitude. But all you'll do is you'll right click down here, and you'll just you'll click on what's here. You'll see the longitude and latitude down there. Click that link. And now you've got the longitude and latitude. You don't need to worry about this part, just the numbers. That's all you need. Next, in GeoSetter, all you're going to do is you're going to click on one of your images. You're going to load up your file path. I have this on a Google Drive, so it's got all of this. It's synced with my desktop, so I'm going to just click on this image that I have. It could be on your desktop. It can be on your documents or photos, wherever. Then after that, you're going to click on Edit Data. And we're going to get the locations. We're going to get the coordinates. So let's just say over here, right? That's the latitude. And then we have the longitude. All right. And then you're going to click on OK. And it's going to give you a little bit of red and say that this has been changed with GeoSetter. You see the original values here only. After that's done, you're going to click on Edit. And you're going to click on Save Changes. And you're going to click on OK. And now, if you click on this image, you right-click on it, click on Properties, go to Details, you'll see the latitude and longitude of your image. Now, I'll show you what it looks like when you don't have a geotag. It's not going to show any of that, and it's going to, where it says GPS, there's no GPS. Just above File, there's nothing over here that says GPS. That's because this is not geotagged. Now, if this is it, this is all you got to do, man, great. Upload this to your GMB, upload this on your website, do what you got to do. If you want to take it a step further, what you can do is this. You can punch in, and I'm sorry, I'm getting a lot of text messages right now. You can punch in your image. So this is an image that I want to, or maybe not that one particularly. That one, nothing that fancy, right? But something like this, maybe. We want to rank. We want to get some sewer inspection jobs. So this is the image we're going to use, and we're going to punch in the logo, right? We're going to punch in the logo over here, right? The Pipe Doctor Sewer and Repair, Plumbing and Sewer. I'm sorry you can hear all that. I'm sorry you can hear the text messages, the iPhone text message notification. I'm going to put this, wherever. Just plop it there. Plop your logo, brand it a little bit. Next, I'm going to use a different font. I'm going to use like Montserrat or something like that, and Sewer Inspection Seattle. Or actually what we'll do then, this is a little bit about like, doing the keyword research. We'll go into Google Keyword Planner, and it always asks me to verify. I don't know why. Discover new keywords, Sewer Inspection Seattle. Or actually, no, we want to do Sewer Repair, but let's just say in Sewer Inspection, right? Sewer Inspection Seattle, Seattle Sewer Inspection. I'll do these for like all the ones that I need. Whether what I'm ranking for sewer repair, sewer cleaning, and stuff like that. Sewer Inspection Seattle. This is the more popular one, right? And let's see how we're doing. Are we ranking at all in this area? Likely not. Yeah, so yeah, we don't even appear for this. So we want to rank for this. So what we'll do is we'll do Sewer Inspection Seattle. And then we will, we can bold this. We can do what we got to do, right? Color it, whatever, right? It's not really that big of a deal. I'm just going to make it a little bit different. I'm going to lower the opacity. Oops, no. Whatever. Okay. Doesn't really matter to me. What I can do, if you want to get a little fancy, you can add this block. And I'm using Canva, by the way. You can use Photoshop. You can use GIMP. You can use whatever. You can hire someone else to do this. It's whatever, man. We're not trying to be fancy. Who is messaging me at this time? Seattle Sewer Inspection, right? This is our keyword. What we're gonna do? We're gonna put in a company name, right? NAPKey, name, address, phone number. The Pipe Doctor. Right? Phone number or address maybe. What I'll do to grab that is you just look up your business exactly how it's listed on Google My Business and grab this address. Boom. Right? It's really simple. This stuff is not too complicated, right? Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. The beauty of it is then you can train anyone to do this. And I'd probably get someone else who's more into graphic design because I'm not good at this. I mean, I could do it. I did a lot of design work, but it's not my thing, man. We can do like a little darker. Someone's going to be like, that looks disgusting. And you know what? I don't care what you think. I really don't. The Pipe Doctor, and then we'll put the phone number in, 206. Alright, so let me get my client's phone number, exactly how it appears on GMB, right? Exactly how it is. I'll put phone, right? Lower this a little bit. Now that you've got your name, address, phone number, keyword, image, you got it branded, everything looks good. You're gonna download this and you're gonna save this as a JPEG. Don't save it as a PNG because you can't do this if you have a PNG. You can't do the geotagging, at least from my experience. So don't do that. Then what you're gonna do is I'm gonna quickly put this underneath of geotagged Seattle Sewer Inspection. Hopefully I don't have a duplicate. I don't. Great. You're gonna go back to your tool again. I have to delete all this. Yeah, this tool is kind of primitive, so if you have any issues like that, you kind of have to be more manual. But we're gonna take our image, right? This image right here. Okay? You're gonna punch in the latitude. The latitudes wherever, and then you're gonna punch in your longitude. You click OK. You're gonna go to Edit. You're gonna save changes. You look at your photo right now. Bam. Geotagged. This photo is geotagged. Google's not stupid. It knows that this is what this is trying to target. So then what you do is you go to your Google My Business. And I'm going to quickly make sure I don't reveal any important information. You go to Photos. Okay? Upload. And you're going to upload these images. What I like to do is I like to create a little mix. So upload this. That's one image, right? That's geotagged. Now we're going to also upload another image. We're going to upload the image that I also took earlier. So like, here we go. Upload this as well. There we go. These are geotagged images. And I might even upload the sewer inspection, just this raw one alone. Now Google knows, hey, we've got geotagged images. These images are tagged. They have relevancy in a location. And that's really important. That's what you really want to in your Google My Business. You want your Google My Business to be all about the relevancy to the location and to the industry. So now we have a higher shot at ranking for our keywords, especially now that we put our keywords in this image, right? It helps. So I hope that this video makes sense to all of y'all. If any of y'all have any questions, feel free to email me at joshct@jcsurge.com or leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching and stay safe out there.